In July 2008, a group of kayak anglers joined Jim Sammons of East Cape Kayak Fishing at the Roosterfish capital of the world, Punta Colorado, for some of the best fishing for big roosterfish we've ever had, including a kayak fishing record 75-pounder. Other catches included billfish, dorado, and assorted jacks. I hope you'll enjoy some highlights of the last part of that trip.
All right, here we are, same old spot, Punta Arena. First day with our new group out here, and been fishing about 15-20 minutes, and Josh is hooked into a rooster, we think, here. Pushed him on a Trinidad. Oh, nice. Okay, we just got Josh's fish back in the water, and Vince hollered he's on it. I know. He came off? Been a while, but we got our third hook up, and it looks like it's Josh, the lighthouse. We're just right off the lighthouse. And there it is.
What do you think, Alonzo?
Toro, toro.
Is it Toro? You call it a Toro?
Uh-huh. The bull. It's a nice jacker ball. Not quite so slimy.
Alright.
Go. Nice. Alright, well, looks like Josh is on another one. Ooh, nice pompano. Great. The chicken. Good Dorado, dude. That is a beautiful fish. Good color. Don't get his head out of the water. Careful, careful.
Though we release most of the fish we catch, dorado are excellent eating, and this one we cooked up for dinner.
Oh, beautiful fish, Vince. Don't calf your leg. Okay, we got another dorado going up here. Oh, they already landed it. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at that, nice fish. Was that yours, Tony? Okay, just be careful. Nice job. Of course, they both have to get hooked at the same time, so we don't get this whole fight. But hey, he's coming at you! He's coming at you! Is it off? Josh, what happened?
That was one of the coolest things I've ever seen.
He says he's got it.
Yeah, he's got it.
He's right here. He's right here. He's coming right to you, Vince.
Vince, you better let that bait out. You're going to be in trouble.
I saw Marlin on the surface here. These guys are stroking for him. I can't believe he did not shoot that big. Well, it looks like Josh has got a tuna here. Maybe a nice yellowfin. Come on, man. Stick up. There we go. Nice. Yellowfin tuna.
Yeah, baby!
Nice tuna. Woo-hoo. We're up here at Fraley's. Been fishing for about 10 minutes and Tony hooked up and Man, didn't have the camera out, but man, this fish just blew up right next to his kayak. Oh my goodness, that's huge. Let's pull him away from the beach a little bit. Look this way, Tony. Come on, man. That's a great fish. Make some noise. Woo! Over to 60.
My scale goes to 60. It was well past that. He was over 70. I had over 70 pounds.
Getting away from the beach a little bit now.
Yeah, maybe like right into the point, right?
Well, I say you should have seen Tony's, man. His fish ran onto the sand. And he's been on this fish quite a while now. 20 minutes at least, and been towed all over from way in there and right next to the sand. Now he's, I don't know, half a mile from the beach. And there he goes. As a reference, there's the beach. Way in there. And here. And here's Steve now. We have gone a long way out. This fish has just pulled him out here. We've hit true deep blue water. And the fish is just going down, down, down into deep blue water. And man, what a fight. What a fight.
I'm not sure I can actually pull him in the kayak.
You want a boga?
Yeah, that'd be good. I might need a hit.
Hey, your arm's a little fatigued? That fish was over an hour and a half. On my boga, it looked like it was about 58 pounds, although it was really hard to lift. I wouldn't even doubt that was heavier, but really good fish, man. Long fight. Good job. I mean, what robbed you there, Josh? Try and give him a bigger bait. Drop your feet in the water, dude. It'd be a lot more stable. That would have been a lot more entertaining if we were in front. Nice. Yeah, what you got? Oh no, Gaff. That's a jack. So we can see him. All I can see is his belly.
I hope you enjoyed highlights from our July 2008 trip to Hotel Punta Colorada in Baja's East Cape. If you'd like to join us for a kayak fishing adventure, please visit our site eastcapekayakfishing.com or kayak4fish.com for more information. If you'd like to see more exciting kayak fishing action, look for our new movie, Game On, a kayak fishing adventure filmed all over North America, due for release spring of 2009. And please visit our new website, kayakfishingmovie.com, filled with all kinds of information about this exciting new film. Until next time, I hope to see you on the water, and please practice catch and release.